Learn about Islam with Muskan and Sarah.
Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam, mommy.
So are you ready to sleep now?
Yes, mommy. But we are not feeling sleepy. Can you sit with us for some time?
Inshallah, my darlings.
Mommy, today my class teacher asked us about last sermon of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Can you please tell us what Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said?
Inshallah, I will tell you guys. Let me get my book. Let's start now. Bismillah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "O people, listen to my words. For I do not know whether after this year I shall ever be amongst you again. Therefore listen to me very carefully, and take these words to those who could not be present here today." So Muskan and Sarah, listen very carefully now.
Okay, mommy.
O people, just as you regard this month, this day, this city as sacred, so regard the life and property of every Muslim as a sacred one. Return the goods entrusted to you to their rightful owners. Treat others justly, so that no one would be unjust to you. Remember that you will indeed meet your Lord, and that your Lord will indeed reckon your deeds. Allah has forbidden to take riba. Therefore all the riba obligations will be waived. Your capital is, however, yours to keep. You will neither inflict nor suffer inequity. So Muskan and Sarah, can you summarize what you understood till now?
We should not break the trust, and we should return things to rightful owners. We should treat others justly so that others also will be just with us. One day we will meet Allah, and Allah will definitely question our deeds. We should not take riba as it is prohibited by Allah.
Mashallah, my darlings. That's correct. Now let's continue. Beware of the devil, for the safety of your religion. He has lost all hope that he will ever be able to lead astray in big things. So be aware of following him in small things. O people, it is true that you have certain rights over your women, but they also have rights over you. Remember that you have taken them as your wives only under Allah's trust, and with his permission. If they abide by your right, then to them belongs the right to be fed and clothed in kindness. Treat your women well, and be kind to them, for they are your partners and committed helpers. It is your right that they do not make friends with anyone of whom you do not approve, as well as never to be unchaste. Muskan and Sarah, can you summarize what you understood?
We have to beware of the devil. He will mislead us not in big things but in small ones. Husbands have right over their wife, and wife also has right over their husband. Husband has taken their wife only with Allah's permission. If the wife abide by husband, then the wife has a right to be fed and clothed with kindness. Husbands should be kind to their wives, as they are partners and helpers. Wives cannot make any friends of which the husbands don't approve.
Mashallah, my darling. Very good. Let's continue now. O people, listen to me in earnest. Worship Allah. Perform your 5 daily prayers. Fast during the month of Ramadan. Give zakat. Perform Hajj if you can afford. All mankind are from Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, and Eve. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, or a non-Arab has any superiority over an Arab. Also a white has no superiority over a black, nor a black has any superiority over a white, except by piety and good action. Learn that every Muslim is a brother to every Muslim, and that the Muslims constitute one brotherhood. Nothing shall be legitimate to a Muslim, which belongs to a fellow Muslim, unless it is given freely and willingly. Do not, therefore, do injustice to yourselves. Muskan and Sarah, can you tell me what you understood?
We should worship only Allah. Do our 5 daily prayers. Fast in the month of Ramadan. We need to give charity. And also we should perform Hajj, if we can afford. We all humans are from Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, and Eve. An Arab is not superior to non-Arab, and a non-Arab is superior to Arab. A white is not superior to black, or black is not superior to white. And superiority will be measured by piety and good deeds. All Muslims are brothers. And we should not take anything from other Muslim, unless it is given freely and willingly.
Mashallah, my darlings. Excellent. You guys are listening very well. Now let's continue. Remember, one day, you will appear before Allah, and you will answer for your deeds. So beware, do not stray from the path of righteousness after I am gone. O people, no prophet or messenger will come after me, and no new faith will be born. Reason well, O people, and understand the words which I convey to you. I am leaving with you the Book of Allah and my Sunnah. If you follow them, you will never go astray. All those who listen to me shall pass on my words to others, and those to others again. And maybe the last ones understand my words better than those who listen to me directly. Be my witness, O Allah, that I have conveyed your message to your people. Muskan and Sarah, can you tell me what you understood now?
One day, we will appear before Allah, and we have to answer for our deeds. So we should be in the path of righteousness. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is our last prophet, and no other prophet will be sent later. And also no new faith will be born. If we follow the Book of Allah and Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we will never go astray. And finally, we have to pass on the last message of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to others.
Mashallah, my darlings. So will you pass on this message to others?
Inshallah, Mommy.
Mashallah, Muskan and Sarah. It's already late. Are you sleepy now?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay then. Say your sleeping dua, and inshallah you will have nice sleep. Assalamu alaikum, my darlings.
Walaikum assalam, Mommy.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, I will leave with you 2 things. As long as you hold them tightly, You will never go astray. They are the Book of Allah, Quran, and my sayings.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.